To answer this question, the first thing I'm going to do is rearrange it to give me 3.1 times 3.6 times 10 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 4. Now I need to work out 3.1 times 3.6. To do this, I'm going to do 31 times 36 and then put the decimal point back in. My answer is 1116. In the question, I have one decimal place here and one decimal place here, giving me two decimal places altogether. So I need two decimal places in my answer. This gives me 11.16. So I now have 11.16 times 10 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 4 is 10 to the power of 7. I'm asked to give my answer in standard form. This isn't in standard form at the moment, so I need to change it to 1.116 times 10 to the power of 8. This is now to the power of 8 because I've divided this number by 10, so I need to multiply this number by 10 to get the same answer. Finally, I'm asked to give my answer correct to two significant figures. So this is now going to be 1.1 times 10 to the power of 8. To answer this question, I'm first of all going to write it out like this. 7 times 10 to the power of 6 divided by 5 times 10 to the power of 4. I'm then going to do 7 divided by 5. This gives me 1.4. 10 to the power of 6 divided by 10 to the power of 4 gives me 10 to the power of 2. My answer is already in standard form, so I don't need to do anything else to this question. In this question, I'm asked to calculate the distance travelled by an aircraft which is travelling at 800 kilometers per hour for 1.3 times 10 to the power of 4 hours. The first thing I'm going to do is write 800 in standard form as 8 times 10 to the power of 2. Then, because distance is time multiplied by speed, I'm going to multiply this by 1.3 times 10 to the power of 4. Rearranging gives me 8 times 1.3 times 10 to the power of 2 times 10 to the power of 4. I'm now going to work out this part. So my answer is 104. I now need to put the decimal point back in, which gives me 10.4. 10 to the power of 2 times 10 to the power of 4 is 10 to the power of 6. My answer now needs to be in standard form. So I have 1.04 times 10 to the power of 7. I've divided this number by 10, so I need to multiply this number by 10 to get the same answer. Here's a question for you to try. Press pause and have a go at it. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Here's the answer. Here's a second question for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Distance is speed multiplied by time. So 7 times 7 gives me 49. 10 to the power of 4 times 10 to the power of 2 gives me 10 to the power of 6. I need to put this into standard form, so I have 4.9. I've divided this by 10, so I need to multiply this by 10, which gives me 10 to the power of 7.